In today's video, I'll show you how to use shape fill and shape outline in PowerPoint to make your slides look more clean, colorful, and professional. Let's start with the basics. Open PowerPoint and go to the presentation you're working on. If you don't have one yet, just open a blank slide so you can follow along. Now, insert a shape. You can do this by going to the Insert tab and choosing any shape you like: rectangle, circle, arrow, anything. Once the shape is on your slide, click on it so it's selected. As soon as you select the shape, a new tab will appear at the top called Shape Format. This is where all the styling tools are. First, let's talk about Shape Fill. Click on Shape Fill and you'll see a range of color options. You can pick a simple color, choose from theme colors, or even create your own custom color. This controls the inside color of your shape. If you want your shape to stand out, go for a bold color. If you prefer a clean and minimal look, softer tones usually work better. You can also experiment with gradients, or even no fill if you want a transparent look. Next, let's move to Shape Outline. This controls the border around your shape. Click on Shape Outline and choose a color for the edge. You can also adjust the thickness or remove the outline completely if you don't need it. A good tip here is to choose an outline color that matches or complements the fill color. This keeps your design balanced and visually appealing. That's all there is to it. With just shape fill and outline, you can completely change how your slides look and make them more engaging. And that's how you use shape fill and outline in PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.